Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to lift a Tesla Model 3. First, always prioritize safety by using the correct equipment. You'll need a low-profile floor jack, 4 jack stands, and specific jack pad adapters. Locate the 4 designated jack points on your Model 3 undercarriage, which are crucial for safe lifting. Ensure your work area is flat and clear before you begin. Jack pad adapters are absolutely essential for lifting your Tesla Model 3. These adapters protect the vehicle's battery and chassis from damage during the lifting process. Carefully insert one adapter into each of the 4 oval-shaped jack points located on the undercarriage. Make sure each adapter is securely seated and flush with the vehicle's frame before proceeding to lift. With the jack pad adapters in place, position your floor jack directly under one of them. Slowly and steadily raise the vehicle until it's high enough to comfortably slide a jack stand underneath. Once at the desired height, place a jack stand under an adjacent jack point. Carefully lower the vehicle onto the jack stand, ensuring it's stable before moving to the next corner. To lower your Tesla, carefully reverse the lifting process, removing the jack stands one by one. Once the vehicle is fully on the ground, double-check that all lug nuts are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications for safety. Remember, proper lifting techniques are vital for maintaining your Model 3. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.